patuloy sa paglalakbay natin punta sa delivery natin sa Yukon. So after mong madaanan yung Stone Mountain Provincial Park, ang next naman na madadaanan mo ay ito, yung Muncho Lake Provincial Park, also located sa Northern Rockies, BC. So as you can see there, right, so those bodies of water, right, mukha silang hot springs, diba? Pero wag ka maliligo dyan. I can guarantee you, right, that is not safe. There's a reason why walang mga tao nandyan. Okay? Pero maganda lang siyang tignan. Okay? So, along this winding road, there's a lot of para siyang ang Snake Road, lots of curves, right? Wala rin siyang railing sa gilid. So, kailangan maingat ka mag-drive. Now, as you keep going through Muncho Lake Provincial Park, you're gonna see this. This is called Folded Mountain. Okay? Now, you might be thinking, ay, Sir Jerry, para namang yan yung Stone Mountain, parang ang basic lang.